Okay, so, apparently Brandon thinks that it's borderline impossible to talk without using your mouth. And I'm here to tell you that that's pretty much a lie. Okay, because I can talk without using my mouth. It may not work because there's jelly beans. Observe.
Hi there. What's your name?
I just wanted to clear that up and tell you that it's not impossible to talk without your mouth. Okay? Because obviously you can see that
I can do it. Sorry.
So yeah, that's been a fun little video. Okay, this is my impression of somebody who's on fire and they're dying. And I'm going to do this impression without using my mouth. Well, the movement.
Oh my God! Oh my God! I'm on fire! Oh, Jesus Christ! Cut me the fuck out!
Thank you.